Hi friends, today we will discuss the importance of children in the society. Why to have a child? A child is a person below the age of 18. They are most important member in the family. People want to have family which is full of love and joy. But they can share their affection with the children. It is eternal enjoyment to have a baby. Carrying a child offers spiritual enrichment. Sharing unconditional love to your baby, you earn the same, and even more in return, which fulfills your life. Your children take full responsibility to help you in your old age. Children are necessary and important to develop the family. Children are most important rather for the development of the family, which can never be ignored or underestimated. Have at least one child and enjoy your life. Even when you die, you may live through your children, and so it will go on and the world will survive. To have or not to have a child? What is your option? People feel economic impact, mental stress, disturbed sleep, changed physical health condition, poor eating, and changes in lifestyle. But the reason to have a child are far more reasonable and impactful. Of course, there are medical aspects of planning a pregnancy, financial aspects to plan to have a child, and emotional aspects to nurture a baby. But realistically, check how much percentage of families across the world love to have children in their families, irrespective of religion, caste, or creed. Do you want to have a child? Do you feel children are required? What are the opinions of new moms? Children are never burden to anyone. They progress as you help them. Instead of being burden to you initially, they take out your burden throughout your life. They are necessary for your happiness. They are essential for your happiness. We love the notion of raising a child from birth to childhood, adulthood. It is the nature of all living beings to pass their genes to the next generation. This biological imperative is very strong in some people. Children give meaning to life. People want kids as it gives meaning to their life. It is often established that children are best assets. They can give so much love, but none can offer. We not only inherit parents' title, but parents also feel pride because of their children. What do you think? Are children essential or desirable? Children are necessary to decide how the world would be after a few years. Never forget, it is necessary for us to leave a legacy through our educated, established children who can care for the environment and the upcoming generations. After 100 years, it will not matter how and where I lived, in what sort of building, how I spent my time, how was my job, my car, my bank balance, and immovable properties. But it will impact much better how I raised my children who can take care of the world. I personally feel education and good understanding are vital to lead a good life. Earlier there used to have social pressure to have a child once marriage is solemnized. Couples used to be encouraged to have children and start living family life. Do you want to be child free by choice? Why you decide not to have a child? You may think children disturbs your rest, interferes in your engagement in walks and socializing, spoils your drawing room walls, cost a fortune, make you worried about their growth and future development. You may think children will be burden to you. Nurturing them may be too costly. Your jobs may be at risk because of children. They may take away your personal time. You may think it may be too difficult to give birth to a child. Even though it is estimated nearly 4 lakh children will be born worldwide in a year's day. In Japan, it is said giving birth to a baby is easier than worrying about it. It means fear should not be greater than danger. An attempt is sometimes easier than expected. You may think they may hinder work-family life, but there are huge benefits to have a child and growing a child. It is beyond human imagination. So what are the benefits of having a child at a young age? They carry on family name and family values, give and receive unconditional love which cannot be measured in monetary terms, which can never be measured in monetary terms. They help you to enjoy supporting a life, to grow and give meaning to life. They help you to fix mistakes of parents. They help you in your old age. But when we feel challenges, we remember our parents. Why are you then getting deprived to be a mother or a father? Who will remember you once you leave this world, once you live this life? Can you imagine what we feel when we hear our children are coming from far-flung foreign countries to see us when we are staying in the other part of the globe? Amazing. Remember the basic child rights. Today is the Children's Day in India and we are observing the Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in India on 14th November to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children, who are treated as real strength of a nation and foundation of a society. To mention a few, protect the rights of a child, which includes right to life, survival and development, non-discrimination. Whether the baby is a boy or a girl, there should not be any discrimination, must not be. Have direct contact with parents. Children must have direct contact with parents. Have a registered name and nationality. Have their unique identity and their right to education. So in this Children's Day, solemnly affirm that we all will take care of the child rights and would like to have children amongst us in the society. Thank you.